What will happen to the XRP token if Ripple loses its long-running battle with the SEC? We'll be looking at Ripple's managing director for Europe's forecast for the company's future. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments section. What does Cardano's founder have to say as Fox journalist refers to XRP supporters as conspiracy theorists? Finally, we will examine XRP's preparation for the biggest crypto run in history. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on January 15th. Attorney Jeremy Hogan, partner at Hogan & Hogan who closely follows the legal battle between Ripple and the U.S. securities regulator, has taken to Twitter to share his take on what outcome XRP may face for Ripple globally should the case be lost. Here's what he thinks is the likely consequence. Hogan's tweet came as a reply to a post by Michelle Nightingale, who is CEO of Global Institute of Wellness Entrepreneurs and author of Boost Business Online. Nightingale tagged several Twitter users, including Hogan, founder of CryptoLaw John Deaton and lawyer James Phelan. All of them are following the Ripple case closely, often sharing materials related to it and their comments on them with their subscribers. Michelle Nightingale decided to pick their brains to find out what damage may actually happen should the judge classify XRP as an unregistered security as claimed by the SEC. She reminded them that when this possibility was discussed with Ripple chief Garlinghouse, he stated that Ripple would move outside the US. Hogan has so far been the only one who responded from the list mentioned above. He reckons that in that case, XRP would likely lose 25% of its utility, since the US provides 25% of global economic activity. Many in the crypto community believe that Ripple is now fighting for the crypto space. Therefore, if Ripple happens to lose to the SEC, this would impact the crypto industry in the US negatively, not to mention the XRP price, which fell hard after the lawsuit began in late December 2020. As reported recently, leading journalist at Fox Business Charles Hoskinson shared his nightmare scenario for crypto should the community see Ripple get beaten in court. He tweeted that in that case, the regulatory agency might go further to get the crypto space under control and will probably target Ethereum for its sales, thus destroying the two best technologies in crypto. Last year, Ripple's Brad Garlinghouse stated in an interview that he believes the settlement would be reached this year, during the first quarter of it. Many respondents in the Twitter poll run recently by the CryptoLaw founder believe that, as more than half of them voted for this option. Ripple Labs managing director for Europe, Sendi Young, shared her predictions for 2023 in a Twitter thread. As Young notes, 2022 was a monumental year for crypto with many ups and many downs. Young expects no less major changes in the still young year, though she doesn't specifically address Ripple and XRP. However, a few connections can definitely be drawn. First up, the Ripple exec expects institutional adoption of blockchain and digital assets to accelerate despite the market downturn. Specifically, companies will launch new pilot projects and further explore the technology. Furthermore, Young predicts that there will be increased industry consolidation as healthier companies make acquisitions to fill gaps in their own capabilities following FTX's collapse. We'll also see an increasing trend for crypto and blockchain firms to be acquired by traditional financial services players, as well as established companies from other sectors, Young predicts. One point that Ripple consistently makes in its campaign against Bitcoin, sustainability, is also echoed in Young's predictions. According to the Ripple exec, policymakers will increasingly scrutinize the sustainability credentials of crypto and blockchain companies. Greater sustainability will be achieved with less energy-intensive blockchains and blockchain-enabled solutions, for example the tokenization of carbon credits, Young says. Another favorite topic of Ripple, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, is picked up by Young as well. According to her, the collapse of FTX has further underscored the need for nations to adopt a reliable digital settlement asset as a secure alternative to other crypto solutions. In light of this, Young also predicts greater adoption of fiat-backed stablecoins. 2023 will witness a greater adoption of fiat-backed stablecoins as institutions look to realize the benefits of blockchain tech such as real-time merchant settlement. The creation of new non-USD fiat currencies will also drive this trend. Looking to Europe, Young notes that crypto regulation will arrive in the UK and Europe. After the UK's Financial Services and Markets Act is enacted, Young says regulators will develop an enforceable crypto regime so the UK can support the development of its crypto asset sector. In the EU, MiCA will be passed by the European Parliament, the Ripple exec foresees, further explaining that while it won't come into effect until 2024. Once MiCA is ratified, European Level 2 regulators will begin to develop detailed rules and standards that will work in practice. Now, what does all these mean for Ripple? Although Young does not mention Ripple with a single word, it is obvious that the predictions have some relation to Ripple and XRP. Last May, for example, the company announced that it was providing $100 million to scale and strengthen global carbon markets. The funding is intended to help modernize carbon markets by investing in innovative fintechs. In addition, Ripple plans to build a portfolio of additive, long-term, nature, and science-based carbon credits, some of which will be used to meet its own commitment to reach net zero by 2030 or earlier. In addition, Ripple has a dedicated division for CBDCs and says it offers a complete platform for minting, managing, settling, and destroying CBDCs. Each solution is based on a private ledger, which is based on XRP ledger technology. Most recently, it became public that Ripple is already conducting initial pilot projects, such as with the Central Bank of Bhutan and the Republic of Palau. Now, down to XRP's preparation for the biggest run in crypto history. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Fox Business host Charles Gasparino has slammed members of the XRP community over their claims against William Hinman, former director of the SEC's Division of Corporation of Finance. In a series of recent tweets, Gasparino called on XRP enthusiasts to grow up, adding that they are starting to come across as children and conspiracy theorists. Recall that members of the XRP community had alleged that Hinman had a corrupt relationship with top Ethereum officials. This resulted in his controversial June 2018 speech, declaring Ethereum as a non-security. For context, Hinman was a partner at Simpson Thacher and Bartlett, a member of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. After Hinman left the SEC, he received over $9 million in bonus and retirement earnings from Simpson Thacher. As the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC lingers, the XRP community has continued to push these allegations against Hinman and Ethereum. Reacting to these claims, Gasparino said Hinman had not been indicted of any criminal conduct over his affairs with Ethereum officials. While Gasparino believes that Joe Biden's government would love to nail an official of Donald Trump's administration over a corruption scandal, he said there are no official indictments or investigations into Hinman's role at the SEC apart from what he described as XRP chirpings. Furthermore, Gasparino urged the XRP community to focus on putting pressure on the SEC about how disgraced FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX's native token, FTT, escaped Ripple and XRP fate under the leadership of Gary Gensler. Gasparino further added that the so-called evidence about Hinman's links to Ethereum is not evidence of any crime. Meanwhile, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, who was criticized by the XRP community for describing the allegations against Hinman as a grand conspiracy, reacted to Gasparino's recent tweets. In a tweet yesterday, Hoskinson said he had no comment on the development. An XRP enthusiast known as realXRPwhale tweeted that XRP was gearing up for the biggest run in crypto history. Interestingly, in the follow-up tweet, XRPwhale stated that the Securities Exchange Commission, SEC, was hurting millions of investors with frivolous lawsuits and was hurting America's innovation beyond anyone's imagination. Meanwhile, XRP has been trading in the green zone for the past 7 days, as shown in the chart below. It started the week trading above its open market price of 33 cents. Just hours into the first day of the last week, XRP spiked to 35 cents. Following this spike, XRP consolidated its position by fluctuating within the 34 to 35 cents price range for the next couple of days. However, after the period of sideways movement, XRP had the lowest momentum and started its descent. During its descent, XRP reached its lowest price of 33 cents, also the opening market price, on the fourth day of the week. Nonetheless, XRP gained momentum once again towards the latter part of the week after the descent and rose to 35 cents. Since mid-November, XRP has been trading in a bullish wedge. When considering the chart below, the token has been testing the 200-day MA methodically. At first, XRP touched the 200-day MA, and later on, it intercepted the 200-day MA. Finally, XRP broke the 200-day MA and rebounded on it. XRP is now approaching the 200-day MA. It may follow the same testing pattern as it did in the previous month. Moreover, the RSI is at 57.7, which indicates that XRP is neither overbought nor oversold, and the trend is well set. The Bollinger Bands are widening. This indicates that there could be volatility in the future. If the bulls dominate the market, XRP could break the 200-day MA and target hitting resistance 1.40 cents. However, if the bears take over the market, XRP could tank below support 1.32 cents. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.